guys, today we're gonna mukbang challenge.
Mukbang challenge with Gia.
We're gonna mukbang challenge.
Mukbang challenge with Gia. This one, we're going to eat this. Look.
What is that?
Yeah, this is a chapaguri.
Go check it
You know
out.
what's chapaguri? Huh? You know what it is?
First, we need to get some. I have 6.
Yummy.
Yummy. Ew.
I guess it's
Fine.
excuse
We're
me.
gonna eat that, of course.
More. That's it. Sige, you eat na.
Ah, that's yummy.
It's yummy. This is chapaguri.
Ah, it's not yummy.
Yeah. So big. You ask me, you tell me if you want to eat more, right? Okay. One. Nagigita.
Ow.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Stop. Why? You eat this one, huh? This one.
It's not funny.
You should do that.
That was yummy anyway.
Huh?
Just get that. Diba?
Ano? Do you like? What are you feeling now that it's quarantine? You have no classes.
Not sad.
You're sad? Or are you not sad?
I am sad
Why?
because I have no classes.
You have no classes. And then, we have no lessons. You can't learn anything.
And I can play with my classmates.
Oh, yeah. That's why it's good to have classes.
Yeah.
So, what are you going to do?
Study here. It's boring here.
Boring. Why? Why is it boring? We have
No teacher.
Oh, but Tita May is here. Tita Jox is here. Tita Pai is here. Your mommy is here.
You're an engineer.
Oh, why?
Tita May is police.
Police? No, not yet. Soon. It's okay. Do not get it na. Do not get it. No, it's okay. Just eat this one. Oh, I'm already done. Already finished.
I hate this. Nothing you can eat
So
here.
yummy.
No.
Why?
No. I am done eating.
You can do that, Gia. This is just like spaghetti. You can do that.
And with vegetables.
Yeah. You don't like vegetables?
Fine. How is this? Slippery noodles. Slippery noodles. It's a big one.
You can use the fork.
Oh.
Yes.
But it's yummy.
Told ya. Because,
Um,
look at this one.
what? What's that?
You see that? Look at this. Wait,
Can I have
you
it?
can get there.
How
We'll just show it to them. Can you see it? Ah, no. So,
Ano ba yan?
this is a seasoning. How is this?
Hindi nila makita. Hindi rin makita
Hindi
mo siya.
makikita. Ah, sorry.
It's
Anyway,
like a wolf.
it's like a
Can I have two?
bird.
It's like a
Bird.
bird. It's a wolf. It's really a wolf. Kinakain ba yun?
Yeah, can eat it. Can be eaten.
Akin na lang yun ah.
Yeah.
Yummy.
There it is. Can eat that.
Can I show it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is. They can see it? Yeah. Is this chicken?
No.
Ano ba? But it's yummy.
It's yummy.
Yeah. You want to get yours. Eat yours.
Yeah, I will eat this later. I will eat this now. Yeah.
Oh, it's yummy. Yummy or no?
Yeah.
It's yummy like chicken.
Yeah.
It's like pork chicken.
Some more. Yeah, nakatatlo na ako. How about you?
Nagbukbang.
Nakatatlo na ako din. Yeah.
Guys,
What?
Tita Jox.
Yes?
It's yummy. Can you search again like that?
Again.
It's yummy. It's really yummy. I'm almost done.
We're almost done for your first round. I'm already on my third round. Yeah. One only.
Don't win. And
Why?
there's no winner in me. And it's not
There's a winner.
what?
Right, guys? There will be a winner.
It's not a winner again.
What will be the prize?
And
What? I think a milk tea. Do you eat milk tea? I did drink milk tea. Really?
More.
What? Hold on, yeah.
I'm just gonna drink water, guys.
Okay. More? More?
Uh-oh. Hindi naman siya maanghang.
Hindi nga. Kasi tinanggal ko yung maanghang niya.
Where's the maanghang? Hindi mo limit ko. It's yummy. I'm gonna use a fork now.
Yeah. So it will be easier for you. You know what? I cooked this because this is from the movie Parasite.
What is that?
Parasite movie. Hindi mo ba alam yun?
Hindi.
Hindi mo alam yun?
Hindi.
Mag-
Yeah. What is that again? What is
Chapaguri. This one? The one that I ate?
Yeah.
It should be sirloin.
I like it. I want to try it, please.
You like it?
There's no singer in my plate.
Hmm?
There is singer in my plate.
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
I think there is.
This
Yeah.
is a siguan.
Yeah. Sirloin.
Ow, 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 ow.
It's like a chicken. Is like a chicken? Tastes like chicken? No.
Yeah. It's like pork.
Pork. Yeah.
Like in the bulalo.
Yeah, that's it.
That's that. It's like bulalo,
What is Gia's favorite food? What's the favorite food of Gia?
right?
Hmm?
It's color yellow.
Food? Food?
It's a food.
Yeah. What's that? Color yellow? Food that is color yellow. What's that? What's that? Our guess?
Never guess.
Why?
It starts with letter F.
Fishball?
It's not yellow.
Ah,
It's white.
okay.
How is this one?
And letter F starts with letter F. And then after letter F, it's letter R. And then letter I. Are you sure? Letter E. And then letter S.
Oh, it's not rice. Yummy.
Is it fries?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm really starving. I'm gonna come back after.
Starving?
I mean, I'm done.
You're
Bye,
done?
guys.
Hindi niya nakinaya yung pagkain niya ng chapagur. This is called randon in the parasites. They also call this chapaguri. So, yung process nito, nilagay ko dun sa unahan para makita nyo kung paano siya lutuin. Masarap siya, kaso medyo na-overcook ko lang yung noodles. Pero it's yummy. Promise. You can buy these noodles in the Korean store or in Save More or Robinson. Promise, it's yummy. Don't try this at home if you are on a diet. Kasi talagang masisira yung diet ko. Sobrang sarap. If ever you like something na gustong i-try ko para i-vlog ko, just comment down below para magawa ko if I have time. And also, if I can do it, kung kaya ko naman, gagawin ko nila. Taas na talaga to. Konti na lang para maubos ko to. Dumingay sila sa labas. Okay. Ang hirap talaga kumain mag-isa. Wala kang makausap. Kaya, uwi ka na, baby. Hindi na ako galit. Ha? Dahil. Basta din. Hindi niya naubos. Hindi niya kinaya. I'll just wait. Just get a water. So, ito yung drink ko for today. Makita. Ito. It's a matcha lemonade. Matcha lemonade na meron siyang hydrolyzed collagen, L-carnitine, L-glutathione, and vitamin C. So, maganda to pang detox ng chan and also for the skin. Maganda siya. Sa pang cold and pang hot. So, napaka-soothing niya sa lalamunan. Kaya, ito yung iniinom ko pagka ganitong mga cheat day ko. Makain ako ng madami, ganyan, para ma-detox. Ito yung replacement ko for green tea, matcha lemonade. So, lahat ng kinain ko kanina, na nakita nyo naman gaano kadami yun, 2 noodles, kundi lang halos 2 kasi nakain ni Gia, hindi niya rin naubos. Siguro mga 1.5 yung nakain kong noodles. Yun na yung pinakamadaming noodles na nakain ko kasi talagang hindi ako masyadong nag-noodles. Pero maganda naman doon. Hindi naman laging kailangan na hindi mo sinasatisfy yung cravings mo. Once in a while, mag-cheat ka sa food lang ha, hindi sa, alam mo na. So, mag-cheat ka lang sa pagkain mo. Wag naman everyday is cheat hindi maganda yon. So, ayun, yun lang yung masasabi ko. I just want to thank you for watching my vlog and support lang. Thank you to my friends. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And click the notification bell for more updates. Bye-bye!